Creating a Facebook remarketing campaign by using your sources. Congratulations! Now that you know how to set up all kinds of Facebook remarketing audiences, it is time to step the game up a notch. Starting now, we're going to show you how to create Facebook remarketing campaigns. In this lesson, we are going to focus on creating Facebook remarketing campaigns using your sources. You have to create all your remarketing campaigns on the campaign creation page in the Ads Manager. Ready to get started? Website traffic. Alright, let's start off by creating a remarketing campaign to target website visitors. When selecting a marketing objective to retarget website visitors, it is important that you consider what actions you want them to complete. Basically, any objective intended to drive a direct action works well with retargeted website visitors, including engagement, app installs, video views, lead generation, conversions, and catalog sales. In this example, we'll select conversions, because this objective also allows us to select our Facebook pixel as a source of conversions. After selecting this objective, move to the ad set section. Now enter a name for your new ad set. Next, select website as the conversion. Now click on the Select a Conversion Event field to select a conversion event. Now click on the Custom Audience field and select your custom website traffic audience. Now scroll down to select placements and set up the campaign budget. Click on Continue and name your ad creative on the next page. Now select the Facebook page that you want to represent your ad. Then select the format and media. Next, insert text and links to your ad creative. Review your ad before launching your campaign and then click on Confirm. App activity. Let's continue with a remarketing campaign to target users that have opened your apps. The marketing objectives that work best to engage app users include traffic, engagement, video views, lead generation, and conversions. In this example, we are going to select engagement to engage app users in our custom audience with posts from our Facebook page. Now move to the ad set section and enter the name of your new ad set. Then click on the Custom Audience field and select your custom app activity audience. Now scroll down to select placements and set up your budget. Click on Continue and name your ad creative on the following page. By default, you can only use existing post to set up the ad creative when you select Post Engagement as your objective. Here, we'll simply select a visually engaging post to get the attention of app users. Review your ad creative before launching your campaign, and then click on Confirm. Customer file. Let's now create a remarketing campaign to target users from a customer file. You can target custom audiences from customer files with basically any type of marketing objective. In this example, we are going to select traffic to funnel past customers from our customer file to our business website. Next, after selecting your objective, you have to set up the ad set. Enter the name of your new ad set and select where to drive traffic. In this case, we'll select website. Now click on the Custom Audience field and select your custom customer file audience. Here, we'll select the customer file audience that we want to drive back to our website. Now scroll down to select placements and set up your budget. Click on Continue and name your ad creative on the following page. In this example, we'll click on Use Existing Post to promote a page post that already has a link to our website. Review your ad creative before launching your campaign, and then click on Confirm. Offline activity. Finally, let's create a remarketing campaign to target users that have interacted with your brand offline. You can target custom offline activity audiences with basically any type of marketing objective. In this example, we are going to select brand awareness to remind offline customers of our brand. Now set up the ad set. First, enter the name of your new ad set. Now click on the Custom Audience field and select your custom offline activity audience. Now scroll down to select placements and set up your budget. Click on Continue and name your ad creative on the following page. Again, we'll use existing post to promote a free content piece published by our brand. Review your ad creative before launching your campaign, and then click on Confirm.